Samsung new bottom-mounted freezer. The Easy Slide helps you take out food stored deep inside. The full open box lets you store your food easily. The Big Guard helps you store larger bottles. The Cool Select Zone adjusts the temperature according to the type of food. The Grab-and-Go basket allows you to easily take out what you often use, such as sauces and spices. The water dispenser helps you to easily drink water and refill with bottles of water. By utilizing 5 RPM speeds, the digital inverter compressor makes precise adjustments to the cooling performance based on daily refrigerator use and temperature levels. Find it faster, reach it easier. Samsung new bottom-mounted freezer.